Vulvodynia is a not so rare condition that is, or let me see how to, basically it is defined as pain in the external female genitalia. So pain of the vulva. And it's a very serious condition because it often causes painful intercourse. It can also cause itchiness and pain throughout the day. It can inhibit normal activities. And there are not a lot of good solutions out there. So let's go through a couple of things first. I just talked about what vulvodynia is. Well, what causes it? The truth is, they don't know. They have a lot of thoughts on what might cause it, hormonal changes, some kind of allergy, some kind of nerve disorder, etc. But as of yet, there is no known cause that anyone can pinpoint. As far as treatment options go, there are several options out there, none of which are so fantastic. I'll give you a quick rundown of them. Some women use topical creams like lidocaine to numb the vulva before sex. Some women have also tried estrogen creams, and some women do antidepressants because that can affect the nerves down there. Also, they've even come up with doing Botox injections in the vagina. And these are all methods that some people do get some relief from. There's also some self-care things you can do as well, which I'm going to go over in a minute. But I do want to let people know that acupuncture and Chinese medicine is a fantastic alternative. I've worked with this issue before, and I've had very good success in my Chicago practice. If you want to learn more about it, and this is also one of the reasons I've chosen this topic tonight, is because I just put up a new article about vulvodynia today on my blog. You can go to tcm007.com to see it. And I believe I entitled it Painful Intercourse May Be Due to Vulvodynia. So, I just went over some of the Western treatment options. Acupuncture can be very helpful, and I do want to point out that I do not needle anywhere near the genital region. So you don't have to worry about that. I've also found that taking herbs both internally, and there are also some topical herbs which can be very helpful as well. So along with the other treatment options, be sure to consider acupuncture and Chinese medicine because it can work really well for vulvodynia. Also, in terms of self-care, there are things you can do for yourself. Wear loose clothing, stick with cotton underwear. If you are going to have sex, I would suggest you use a lubricant, and a lubricant without any irritants. In my post, I do link to a vegan lubricant, which some of my patients have found to work quite well. And let's see if there's any other good at-home tips. Those are probably the top tips. You might try soaking in a lukewarm bath as well. So anyway, those are some self-care tips for vulvodynia. I hope that this has been helpful. Before I get going, or as I'm finishing everything up, please let me know if you have any questions. The topic was vulvodynia. What is it? What can help? Thank you for all those hearts. And there are things that can help, especially, of course, I'm going to emphasize this because I'm an acupuncturist. Acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine can be very effective.